Mummy. Hello. Are you getting me? Come on.
Okay. Cancel what you have to, but I want to give that speech. That's the new clean energy proposal.
Hello.
Eric. I'll take care of it. Thanks, Ken. Listen out, Eric.
We have a domestic terrorist alert.
How serious?
Very.
That's limited info. Who else?
There are representatives from all branches of the military, some FBI and CIA. Mr. President, I've called Mike Nolan. He didn't know if I knew.
Good, thank you.
Oh.
Gentlemen. What I'm about to tell you, Mr. President, is triple sourced. While crucial details are still unknown, we believe this intel to have extremely high.
Hi, Chicky.
Go on.
There's a nuclear device under terrorist control. It gets worse. This bomb is going to go off today.
How do we know this?
This suicide bomber is Mahmoud Rashid.
Oh, look at these two kittens. That's funny.
Has been associated with a number of fundamentalist groups.
Valentine's Day bombing in the West Bank.
This particular attack resulted in 13 fatalities, 26 injured. 2 days ago, we discovered that the secondary purpose of this incident was to create the impression Fahim was killed.
He wasn't.
This was taken 5 days ago at a small airport outside Lyon, France. We had the man on the left, Jason Park, under surveillance. It was just a coincidence that we caught the very much alive Fahim in the photo. When we grabbed Park, we tried to extract everything we could out. About 15 minutes ago, he broke and confessed that for the last 2 years, Fahim has been preparing for today's attack on Los Angeles.
And why didn't you pick up Fahim at the same time as Park?
This picture wasn't analyzed until after the two had separated. I've contacted Defense, CIA, FBI, and local jurisdictions. Everything will be run through NSA.
Who controls Fahim?
Relatively new splinter group that goes by the name of Second Wave.
Government affiliation?
Officially, they're not recognized by any of the Middle Eastern states.
Unofficial? Give me the Prime Minister.
No. Hello, Mummy. Good girl. Good girl.
Gary, your breakfast is ready. Now let it get cold.
Come on.
I probably
Nope.
back to this afternoon on a special package this morning. Keep an eye out for it? Sure. Mom, I'm going skateboarding.
And what does that mean?
I know I have to put on my helmet and my elbow and
And stay close to camp.
Maybe. What about Camp? She's the best.
Hello.
You off?
Yeah. Car's ready. I cut a grapefruit and I got some scones.
You ready?
Of course.
See you tonight, okay?
Oh, it's okay. It's only me.
You got a great body.
Not really. I like to swim.
How are you going?
Yeah. Prime Minister,
Oh man.
I was told you need to speak to me.
what can you tell me about a terrorist organization known as Second Wave?
Of course, I've heard of them, but my government firmly rejects its tenets and its methods.
There you are.
In fact,
I
we
wonder where you
requested
are.
several alternatives.
And how do you account for 3 Second Wave camps operating unimpeded inside your country?
There are no camps in this country.
Prime Minister, I know 2 things. 1, Second Wave is planning an attack against one of my cities today. 2, your government supports Second Wave.
I would appreciate it if you would stop using my people and my people as a source for every threat leveled at the United States.
What I'm saying is not meant to be a threat, simply a statement of fact. A bomb goes off on U.S. soil today. I will have no choice but to retaliate with immediate and decisive force against your government.
This is an insult. We are not planning to attack the United States.
Insult or not, if you care for the lives of your citizens, you need to hear me loud and clear. Mr. Prime Minister, if a bomb goes off today, it will hurt us, but it will destroy you.
And Mr. President, you will have created an enemy of over 1/3 of the world's population. Proceed carefully.
You as well, sir.
Yeah? Don't fall. You can do it though.
Yeah. Who is this?
George Mason from CT101.
I don't work for CTU. Let me know something with you.
Hello, babies. Oh, girl, Papa. Hey, mates. Good boy. Hey, Arthur. Hello.
Let me see. No blood. Alright, let's go, tough guy. Hey! I like that.
Hello.
You know what, Megan? Why don't you go play in the backyard and the beach there, okay? See you in a bit.
I just wanted to say hi. You haven't been returning my calls.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Look, you don't have to worry. I didn't come to ask you for lunch or hang out. I know you just started this job fair, but I just wanted to see you. I missed you.
I know. I miss you too. Every time I see you, I think of Mom. Yes, I do. I mean, if you want to know, I'm telling you, it's too hard for me right now.
See, all I ever wanted was the 3 of us to be together.
I know you did. It wasn't your fault. It just happened.
Of course it was my fault.